Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You are looking so amazing today. Before I start this presentation, I would like to ask a question. Can I ask?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, guys, tell me why youth is future of our country. Anyone?
No, sir.
I want to tell you, guys, the youth of our all country is the future of our country. Because, guys, the progress of our country depends on its youth. Guys, youth has a big role in progress of every field, business, sport, every field. They have an ability to learn and adapt to the environment. Guys, similarly, they are willing to learn and act on it, aspect to achieve their goal. Guys, that's why youth is future of all country. Well, please give me some smiles and cheers that I can give my best. Good morning, respected Dr. Sir, faculty members and all my dear classmates. Welcome you all on this gorgeous occasion. Hi, my name is Deepak Patel and at present I have been doing BSc first year from NM College. First of all, I would like to thank you sir for giving me this golden opportunity to stand on the podium and express my views in front of you. I also thank you people for being here. And today I am very delighted to share my thought over the topic is Youth of India is the future of India. So guys, now we will talk about youth. We will talk about us. What youth should do for our country. What government should do for our youth. So guys, now I want to tell you my first point. And my first point is, we should focus on our youth. Guys, I think government should focus on our youth. Because it's very important for India. Guys, after the freedom, the all government didn't pay full attention to the youth yet. I know guys, the government is bringing schemes to provide employment to the youth. But guys, as much as the government is giving employment to the youth, unemployment among the youth is increasing more than that. So my dear friend, I want to say it doesn't depend on the government. It depends on our youth as well. Guys, youth should not always depend on the government. They themselves do something for their employment. Because if they will progress, India will automatically progress. Because youth of India is the future of India. So guys, that's my first thing. Now my second thing is role of youth in future of India. Guys, youth has a big role in future of India. Because guys, the progress of India, it depends on India's youth. But guys, if we look at school, college students, they don't have any aim at all. They have no idea. They have no idea what they should do for their career in years to come. So my dear friend, I want to say, youth make a proper goal. They should work on their study, develop their skills, develop their personality. Because guys, if they focus on their goal, they will do progress. And if they will progress, India will automatically progress. So guys, now my third thing is build the future of India. Guys, now we are talking about youth. So I want to tell you about youth. Guys, when it comes to building our India's future, guys, when it comes to building our India's future, there is no bigger asset than today's youth. Because guys, this is a generation that will solve their future crisis, let countries write policies, prosper and disperse or destroy democracies and system of justice. So guys, I want to say you should try to understand that it depends on only youth how to build a good future of India. Because youth of India is the future of India. Now guys, my fourth and important thing is power of youth in India. Guys, nowadays we are seeing the population of youth is approximately 37% in India. Guys, I want to say young minds are known to be innovative and work hard. That will help in the future. That will help in the development of the India and anything. Guys, you know, the youth affect his future and as well as directly or indirectly affect his future of his country. Guys, because if the youth of a country are well aware and the youth of our country are well aware and we should try to understand because the youth of power is a very big power in our India. Guys, so I want to say the biggest wealth and strength of the any nation is its youth. Guys, a great man Josh Rizal said, youth is the hope of our future. This we should allow them to create change and challenge us, them to be a real hope of our future. Guys, at last I want to say the government should pay attention to the education system, sport and everything and the support of youth in every field because youth of India is the future of India. Well, that's all about my presentation. I thank you people again for listening to me so patiently. Thank you so much.